Okay, this is me submitting for my first belt. I believe orange. This is American 1100. Let me show you this functioning real quick. This is about my 1000th take, trying to keep everything on camera the entire time. But the lock is in fact locked. Core will not turn. Let me get my tensioner and start picking. My battery. Oh, okay. Well, that went as planned. We're already at a false set. It does that sometimes. When I hit 1 and 2 simultaneously. Okay, let's try not to screw this up. Okay, just set one spool. This lock is a bit temperamental, and I'd love to know why. Sometimes I have such a hard time getting that false set, and other times it's literally that simple where it just feels like I touch one pin and it drops and sets both of the spools, which are my 4th and 5th pin, and I dropped the tension wrench because I won't shut up. Ironically, I did the same thing and saved it in the first video I posted to Reddit. Let's see if I did the same here. Oh, this is a weird position. It's like the camera comes out and I'm butterfingers all of a sudden. Oh, and are you kidding me? And we're open. This is a real lock with 5 pins. I promise you I will show everything on camera here. Oh boy, that looked professional. Okay. Let's crack her open. I did this before and I kept moving the core off when I moved the lock to the side. So to prevent that, I'm going to keep everything on frame, which I am balancing with this screwdriver while looking up at my phone screen that is sitting on a stack of paper towels. I'm definitely going to get some better gear. I actually have better gear to film it, just not the right lenses. I do a little bit of hunting that I also film. I've only been picking for about almost 2 weeks now, and I've just been having the time of my life doing this. I hate sitting around in idle time, and this really just like does it for me. I can sit around, play with this, and feel like I'm accomplishing something, because I am. I'm learning while I do it. Okay. Now this part I always mess up. One, because I don't have a real plug follower, but I'm going to try. Oh, yeah, I did it again. Okay, well, I'm always able to disassemble it this way, but I don't know the proper way to do it. I think I need the right tools. Yeah, he's okay. Oh, thank fucking God that stayed on camera. Okay, this is going spectacularly, but I'm gonna keep it rolling because I'm still on camera. Looks like I only dropped 1 pin out, which was the first pin, and it fell into slot 1 of my high-tech 3D printed tray here that I made out of printer paper. I don't think that's what 3D printing actually means, but we're gonna pretend it does. Okay. All right. We're gonna just do this very gently. Where is my tweezers? There we go. Okay. Okay, so going backwards, so this is going to be a little weird here since I already dropped out the first pin, at least for my brain anyway, but we have a spool in position 5 and another spool in position 4. I can reach in. Get it. Okay. 4. I have serrated pen in 3. And another in 2, and then one more in my first pen for my driver pins. Okay, and then there's key pin number 1. You'll see in a second here, key pin number 2 is a little tiny baby thing, and I think that is why sometimes I can get the falset in one go. I believe I'm contacting this little tiny pin at the same time as the other, but I don't understand because usually I have to do 3, 2, 1, but occasionally it seems like my hand slips and I just pop into a falset on the first stroke of my pick. There's 2. That's my shortest pin. There's 3. Oops, we did those backwards. But that's okay. I can just grab that really easy. Here's all my driver pins. I get you guys a close-up once I pull my springs. These are all the same length from what I've read, so I just do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to give you guys that close-up now. Just spread my high-tech tray out. I should probably put those in order, because if not, it's going to bug me. That's recent. That one's not. that. Now this is facing the right way. I apologize, you guys can hear my son in the background. He's having the time of his life, jibber jabbering away. But that is my American 1100 picked and gutted. And then I'm going to get you that close up of the pins so you can see 2 spools are in 5 and 6 and serrated pins on 1, 2, and 3. And I think that's it. I'm going to make the disassembly in another video so it doesn't get too long and my video doesn't get cut off.